In this video, we test out different size magnets to see what might work well for our magnet sweeper. As you can see, the bigger the magnet, the more weight it'll hold, which makes sense. Also, larger magnets tend to pick up the steel balls from a greater distance.
That's holding almost all of them.
Yeah, that's pretty good. I'll have to add more for bigger magnets.
Yeah.
However, you'll notice that even a very powerful magnet still has to get within a few inches of the steel balls to pick them up.
Try to pick them up then. See this is thick. Stick it in there. Oh! Whoa, that's a lot. Oh! No! Oh, that's funny. Ooh!
Too much weight for the screw.
Oh! Ah! Gotcha.
It's alright. I can still pick it up. Ready?
Yeah.
Might be too heavy for the scale. 2 pounds, 2.7 ounces, minus the weight of the magnet. We also wanted to experiment to see if the size of the object made a difference in how close the magnet had to be. 2 inches.
2.5.
Start to move.
2. 1.5. Oh. I think I need safety glasses. That thing launched. 2.
We were expecting the magnet to have to get closer to the smaller objects, but this didn't happen. In fact, we tried out several different size steel balls and they all had similar results. We realized that while there may be less pull force to a smaller object, the smaller objects are also more lightweight. You might see more pull force to a larger object, but it's heavier, so it takes more pull force to pick it up. It makes sense why we got similar results.
Imagine a spherical paper clip. Whoa! It's like 2.5. What's up with that?